My name's Joy Hart. I'm the manager here at Hive. Oh, it's been fantastic. As I mentioned to you before, I think it's really important because we have quite a lot of people who are a little bit scared of technology here, and mastering something like digital photography is bound to really increase your confidence in other areas, and that's what we try and aim to do, is increase people's confidence. So it's been fantastic having it. It'll be great. It'll be absolutely great. We have had something on the big screen ages and ages ago, but it's really nice to get into the centre of Bradford, and it's good for people to know that we work across Bradford and we are part of Bradford, so it'd be really nice to see it up there. The website is going to really make a change, I think, to what we're doing, because we're primarily known as a provision for adults, but we've been doing a lot of work with young people and children around general sort of well-being, and I think having a specific website for kids' activities will really sort of increase our audience, so we're really excited about that. I think it has. I do think it has. I think it's great for people here to see what the younger generation is doing and get excited about it and get involved in it. So I've always been passionate about involving young people in Hive, and so I think having students here doing workshops has been great.